I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here, and it's electrifying. On this channel we dive deep into the world of electronics repair and reviews, making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for you. From fixing your broken gadgets to reviewing the latest tech, we cover it all with a beginner-friendly approach. Imagine fixing that old smartphone yourself, or knowing which gadget is worth your hard-earned money. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. With easy-to-follow tutorials, in-depth reviews, and a splash of humor, you'll be empowered to tackle electronics like a pro. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's explore, repair, and reimagine the world of electronics together. Welcome to Electrotechnics, your go-to for electronics. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand.
All right, let's get into it. Hydroelectric power. You know, the kind of electricity made using water, but how does that actually work? Picture this, a massive dam, like the Hoover Dam. Behind it, there's a huge reservoir of water. That water, it's packed with potential energy, just waiting for something to happen. Now, when I open a valve at the bottom of the dam, gravity kicks in and pulls water down through big pipes called penstocks. This water isn't just flowing, it's moving fast. At the end of those pipes, the water slams into turbines. Think of them like gigantic spinning fans. The force of the water spins these blades, and the turbines convert all that kinetic energy from the moving water into mechanical energy. But how do I turn spinning blades into the electricity that powers your phone or lights? That's where generators come in. The turbine is connected to a generator, which is basically a giant magnet spinning inside a coil of wire. When that magnet spins, it makes electrons move through the wire. That movement of electrons, that's electricity. So, hydroelectric power is all about turning the energy from moving water into electrical energy using some clever engineering. And here's something cool. Hydroelectric plants are super efficient. Almost 90% of the energy from the water actually makes it into the electricity grid. Plus, since the only thing driving the turbines is water, no burning, no pollution, it's one of the cleanest energy sources out there. But it's not all rainbows and waterfalls. Building a dam and flooding a valley for a reservoir can really mess with local ecosystems, and fish can have a tough time too. That's why engineers are always coming up with smarter designs like fish ladders to help wildlife adapt. There's also a limit to where I can put these plants. You obviously need a big river and a good spot for a dam. So, while hydroelectric power is awesome, it's just one piece of the renewable energy puzzle. To sum up, I take a river, build a dam, let water rush through turbines, spin a generator, and boom, electricity. It's simple in concept, but genius in design. Next time you see a dam, you'll know there's a mini power plant humming away inside, turning the force of water into the power that keeps our world running. Stay curious and keep looking for the hidden science all around you.